Good morning, boys and girls. Pastor Gene Green here with my good friend Holy Bible.
Hello, everybody.
Today we are going to learn how God's love guards and protects us.
It sure does.
Yes, indeed. His love is always there to protect those who are in close relationship with Him.
That's amazing.
Yep. In Proverbs chapter 1, verse 33, it says,
But whoever listens to me shall dwell in safety and be at ease from fear of evil.
Amen, amen. To that, Holy Bible. All right. Let's get ready to join our good friends, Billy and Toby, as they learn what it means to be protected by God's love.
Yay!
Till next time, goodbye, boys and girls. Say goodbye, Holy Bible.
Goodbye, Holy Bible.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Billy. It sure was fun playing those video games. Thanks so much for inviting me over.
Yeah, it sure was fun, Toby. I have to go do my chores now, but I'll see you at school tomorrow.
Yeah, about that. Say, Billy,
Yeah?
do you think that maybe
Yeah?
that I could possibly stay the night?
Well, I have a whole bunch of chores to do. Is something wrong at your house?
No, not at my house. It's on the way to my house.
What's the problem?
Well, you see, there's this big kid who lives about like halfway between your house and mine, and he's really, really tough.
Oh.
And he said he was going to get me if he ever saw me again.
What do you mean he's gonna get you?
Well, he said he was going to throw rocks at me.
Throw rocks at you? He's probably just kidding you.
No, I don't really think that. I mean, he's a really big kid.
Yeah?
And I guess they do lie, but why would he lie about something like that, you know?
I don't know. Whoa! No. He's not kidding. He's big and scary. And he's gonna hurt you real good.
No, I know he's not kidding, Billy. Oh, you should see him. He's really, really big and super scary.
You don't need to be afraid, Toby. Yes, you do. He's really is gonna get you. And you and Billy need to get some rocks and hit that bully before he hits you.
I need to be afraid, and so do you. Come on.
No.
I know. Let's get some rocks and go hit him before he can hit us. You're my friend, aren't you?
Well, yeah, I'm your friend. Yeah, and friends need to be scared together. Protect yourselves. Don't get killed.
We need to protect ourselves, Billy. If you don't help me, I'm gonna get killed.
No. Wait a minute, Toby. This is getting way out of hand. This feels like a spiritual attack. I know what to do. What's he doing? Oh no, I think he's doing that praying stuff again. This is terrible. Ha ha! Ah.
Negatron, I know you're behind this.
I'm behind it and all around it, and I'm going to win this one. Yeah.
That's what you think. God tells us in Proverbs 1:33 that whoever listens to him will live in safety without fear of evil.
Oh, that's right. You guys have to act in love. So you're gonna get pounded.
You don't know anything about love, Negatron. God is love. And 1 Corinthians says that love always protects.
Ugh. got the big guy on your side?
That's right. And something else you need to know about love is in John, 1 John 4:18, which says,
No more verses.
perfect love casts out fear. So, get out of here, Negatron!
Ah, yikes! That's way too much for me. I can't handle this Bible stuff. Ah,
Go on, Negatron! Go!
ah. Toby, God is on our side, and he always protects us. Throwing rocks at that big kid isn't walking in love. God will protect you because you're saved. You're righteous.
I guess I never thought about it that way. Isn't it sort of
Yeah.
like when God protected the Israelites from the Pharaoh, right?
That's right. Walk in love and listen to the word, and you'll be safe.
Okay. Oh man, this is really great. I'm so glad that I talked to you. I'll see you tomorrow, Billy.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye, Toby.
The next day, Billy and Toby meet at the playground before school.
Hey, Toby. How'd it go last night on your way home?
Oh man, it was so cool.
Yeah?
I prayed and I asked God to help me walk in love, and I thanked him for keeping me safe.
Wow.
I even prayed that the big kid would leave me alone. And you know what happened?
Whoa, the big kid didn't even see you?
Oh, he saw me all right. And he started yelling at me.
Whoa.
And he even threw a big rock at me. Yeah, and then that's when it happened.
Oh, wow. What happened? Did he hit you?
No, I ducked. But a policeman was driving by and saw the whole thing.
Wow.
He stopped the big kid and made him apologize to me. And then he drove the big
Yeah?
kid home. Boy, is he in trouble.
Oh, wow, Toby.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, I'm so glad the big kid didn't hit me.
Yeah.
But, you know, I do feel kind of bad because he got in trouble.
Well, Toby, he chose to throw that rock at you, just like Pharaoh chose to chase the Israelites. God's love protected you because you listened to him. And God used that policeman to punish the big kid. You know, Romans 13:4 says that policemen are used by God to do good for you and to punish those who do wrong.
Wow, love sure is powerful.
Yep, walking in love is always the best way. Come on, we'd better get ready for class, okay?
Oh, okay, yeah,
Yeah, let's go.
yeah.